Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. So today, a vendor sent me a product, and we're going to put this product together right in front of you. First time, I haven't even read instructions, so I'm going to go over that with you. And it is a Kobizi pop-up tent, and we're going to pull that. It's 10 by 20, closed. The first thing I noticed about it, it's heavy, but that's good. I mean, it's good that it's heavy. It makes probably well built. I know it does have sandbags with it too, to hold it onto the ground if it's windy. It is a little breezy today, so we may have to cancel this, but we're gonna give it a shot. It does say don't use in severe winds. I wouldn't call this severe winds, but it's a little breezy, so we'll see if that treats me bad or not. But I am just gonna leave this on, and you can watch me build it. So we're just gonna lay it down here and take it out of its bag. By the way, the bag is very nice, so very great so far. Okay, so the first thing I see, I haven't even looked at the instructions, but here is the sandbags they provide. And if I feel like I need some weight, all I would have to do is put some rocks in here or something like that. But they provide the bags, you have to provide the weight, the sand, the rocks, or whatever you want to put in here. And these just strap to the poles. Very nice. And it appears that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, one for each corner. Makes sense. Instructions. It kind of needs 2 people, but I'm going to try to do it with just 1 person. I have put these up with 1 person before, so let's watch and learn. So the first thing we have to do is this is all the legs and the legs and the roof structure for the canopy, for the pop-up canopy. So I have to spread that out to 20 feet out. So normally you would take 2 people and you would just walk opposing to each other. So I'm going to have to inch it out by myself. So now we just have to stretch this all the way out. And it's really important that you get it all the way stretched out, which might be problematic doing this with 1 person. We're going to find out. But I do have a neighbor on standby just in case I need him here at the end. I'm going to try to do it on my own, but it's very important to get it completely stretched out or it will not go together correctly. You can see this right here. I give a lot of credit to this little red button that they have. Really nice for releasing. A lot of them do not release that easy. That's a little ball you have to push. So far I give credit to, I've had 2 people, of course it would go faster, but the little red knobs they have that you can just push with your feet, really handy. Because a lot of times you have to bend over and push a little metal ball, a little button in and click it up. These have little nice little handles. Very nice. So it's going together. I'm figuring it out as I go on how to tie these things up. Definitely would be better with 2 or 3 people. Okay, so now the next step, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it with just the one person, but we're going to try it. I'm supposed to put my hand on this frame, and then I have to push that middle. You can see that middle spike right there, straight up until. All right. On the ends, okay.
If I'm going to push this up, you gotta.
What do I gotta do?
Hold her down.
Okay.
Grab that one there.
But I can't possibly put that thing. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, there you go. I got that one. Maybe it wasn't stretched out enough.
Yeah. Wait, yeah, that just went in. That just popped in. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
They're popping in.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. It just wasn't.
Isn't that a pain?
Yeah, it just wasn't stretched out enough.
Now we gotta get these up. We gotta get those up first. Alright. That one's a little more complex. And then we'll take these right here. Okay.
Wonderful. Well, I got it from here. Thank you very much. I guess I just needed you. Thank you very much.
Well, I saw you and I know he had to stand it.
Yeah, that once we did that, it worked.
And it's a 2-man job.
Yes, it is. Okay, what have I learned? I had to have a neighbor help me. You probably saw that a little bit. And what the biggest, most important thing that you have to do is you have to stretch it out to its full length and its full width. Otherwise, you will never pop that roof up. The roof is up. Okay, so what you saw there is I absolutely needed to phone a friend. I would say you cannot do this with one person. I would say that strongly. Have at least 2, 3 would be better. But once I had a friend help me stretch the width completely out and the length completely out, we were golden. We didn't have any issues anymore. To finish this up, if I was going to keep it here, which it's kind of nice, but it's a little windy today, so I'm not going to keep it here. You would have to put these Velcros on all the way across here, tie these down here, and just keep going all the way around. Oh, gotta push this. Push this over the top, like so. And then you tie, it has ropes that you can tie to these and stake them down. Now you have the complete 10 by 20 pop-up. I'm telling you, it's pretty nice. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, in this bag are the side panels. I'm gonna pull one of the side panels out and show you how one of those goes on. And then we'll complete this. Oh, don't have this side out yet. So you wanna pull all this over the top, and that's where you put your Velcro on. But I have to tell you this. This is, now that I figured out how to do it, this is really nice. This is a very nice pop-up. Very nice. And all silver on the inside. And I will tell you, it is at least 10 degrees cooler. So next, I'm gonna go down here, pull out one of those panels, and we're gonna put it up. So I'm gonna do one of the panels with the windows. And this should be much simpler than putting it up. And honestly, it was simple to put up. The problem was I needed an extra person. Once I got that extra person, well, it popped up in 2 minutes. So you do need 2 people. So I'm just going to use this and attach it all the way across on that Velcro strip. And I just sped this up for ease of maintenance. So then you just attach with the Velcro strips. Attaching the Velcro strips, I've attached it here and here. All the way down to the bottom. And then we'll do the second Velcro. And there you have it. And there you have it. A wall with a window. 2 or I think there's only probably 2 window panels, but it comes. So this is really nice. Yes, it took me a minute to figure it out, and it'll probably take you a minute to figure it out how to put it in. My biggest drawback is it's heavy, but it's big and it's strong and it looks like it's well made. But you have to have 2 people. I would recommend 3, but you have to have 2. Because as soon as I got a second person to help me, poof, the roof went right up. But really nice. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't have it staked down. I don't have the Velcros attached on the bottom. And I'm in about 13-mile-an-hour winds right now. It's not moving. So that's how heavy it is. So it's holding itself down pretty well. So I would, if you're in the market for a large pop-up, this, my friends, is very nice. Very well made.